To monitor environmental conditions in production and warehouse areas, don't go past Turck's CMTH sensor. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Turck's condition monitoring temperature and humidity sensor is suited for old and new plants with flexible outputs via either IO-Link or as a switching signal. Now, available in a compact 57mm variant with improved IIoT integration for smart conditioning monitoring, it can operate in temperatures from -40 degrees to up to 100 degrees Celsius. Suitable for indoor and outdoor applications as well as challenging environments, the CMTH is particularly good for monitoring climatic conditions in sectors that handle goods sensitive to humidity and temperature. The digital interface supports easy integration thanks to the smart sensor profile and internal dew point calculation, and users needing long-term monitoring will appreciate the pre-configured IO-Link histogram function. For more information and the specifications, of course, visit turck.com.au. And thank you for watching.